Hello, today we will solve question number 49 from LeetCode, which is group anagram. So what is anagram? Anagram is a permutation of a character of any string, like we have ACB. So other anagram can be ABC, CBA, just it's a permutation of character of that string in any order. Okay, so now let's see how can we solve this problem. Group anagram, we have this input array of string. We'll go through each string and we will sort and we'll store in a map. This is array of map. Okay, I have created some 3 entry. This is, we can say, array. Okay, so first we got EAT. We'll sort this string, we'll get AET. So we'll create a new entry in map AET and we'll store the original string with respect to the sorted string. Okay, EAT. Next we move, we have TEA, and sorted version of this string will be AET, which is already present in the map. This sorted string is already present in map, means T and EAT is a anagram. So we'll store the original string T at the location of AET. Okay, now next string is TAN. The sorted string will be ANT. ANT is not present in map, if you can see. So we'll create a new entry in map ANT and we'll store the original string TAN in map. Okay, next string is ATE. Sorted will be AET, which is already present here. So we'll store the original string ATE. This is done. Now NAT. For NAT, the sorted string will be ANT, which is already there. So we'll store ANT in our map in the next entry we have created. Okay, again for BAT, sorted string will be ABT. So we have to create a new entry because ABT is not present in map. We have created a new entry and we have to store BAT. So this map of vector has stored our answer, but we can't return, this is same as output but in a different order. Now let's see code for group anagram. We have one method, group anagrams, which takes a array of string like vector as input and it will return vector of string. Okay, means because if you see, this is a vector of string, means 2D array of string, we can say. So for that, for storing the answer, I have taken one answer 2D of string, and this is my map of vector, and key is string M. Okay, because we have to create a map of array. Okay, this is array and this is key. For that map, this is array, like this way. Okay, for the just a representation purpose I am showing here. So what will we iterate over the string from start to end, and we'll take one temporary string for sorting purpose because we can't modify the original. We need to have original string also. So I am taking the first each string in a variable s and I'm sorting that string. Okay, like when we got EAT, so sorted string will be AET. Okay, so s will be, this is s, now this is s, and we'll push this s into the map with the original string, because means actually I'm not pushing here I've modified something, and just I am storing the index, because in our original string we have a string, so this way we can save some space, just storing the index. Okay, so just like index 0 1 2 3 4 5, for with respect to AET I will store index 0. Okay, so for next TEA, sorted string will be AET, so again this will be stored at the same location. So TEA is at 1, index is 1, so just store index 1, no need to store the actual string. Okay, now move to same TAN, so sorted string, sorted will be ANT, so create a new entry and store the index. This way we will store each index, means we will group all the string. Okay, and after doing this, just iterate through the map, just going through the map and creating a vector, means this is the vector of all the string which are the anagram. Okay, means like just taking all the string of that particular index and storing in our answer. First storing in A means just like based on there was 0 1, so at 0 it is EAT, at 1 it was TEA. Same way this is a temporary vector A, and then when all the string is complete for a particular entry, then push it into final answer and then return the answer. So this was a pretty easy solution, I think you got, and code will be in description. Thank you.